Research report on a bacterium that causes oxygen in water and decomposes meat. Summary: in this study, a newly discovered bacterium that exists in a parallel dimension was examined. This bacterium was first discovered in water samples taken from this dimension. It has been found that this bacterium is able to produce oxygen in the water, which leads to increased oxygen levels in the water. It was also found that the bacterium is able to dissolve meat lying constantly in water within 3 weeks. Furthermore, it has been observed that water infected with these bacteria generates a heat of 20 degrees to 30 degrees. It has been recommended to boil the water before consumption or to take antibiotics to avoid diarrhea and other health problems. Introduction: the discovery of new bacteria in a parallel dimension is of great scientific interest as it gives us glimpses of the possibility of alternative life forms. This report examines a newly discovered bacterium capable of producing oxygen in water and dissolving meat. Methods: water samples were taken from the parallel dimension and examined for the presence of the bacterium. Microscopic examination allowed the bacterium to be identified. It was further studied how the bacterium affects the chemical composition of the water and the surrounding flesh. The temperature changes of the water were also added as observed. Results: the newly discovered bacterium was identified as a species of aerobic bacteria capable of producing oxygen in water. In the presence of organic matter, such as meat, the bacterium is able to break down the meat within 3 weeks. It has been found that the water infected with these bacteria generates a heat of 20 to 30 degrees. It has been recommended to boil the water before consumption or to take antibiotics to avoid diarrhea and other health problems. Discussion: the discovery of this bacterium in a parallel dimension opens up the possibility that there are other alternative life forms that we have not yet known. However, more studies are needed to understand the precise impact of these bacteria on the environment and human health. It is important that the public is made aware of the potential risks associated with consuming contaminated water. Are connected. Conclusion: this study has shown that in a parallel dimension there is a bacterium capable of producing oxygen in water and flesh on